In this video, we are going to see the difference between an abstract class and an interface in Java. In the previous videos, we discussed about what is abstract class and what is interfaces in Java. If you didn't watch that videos, then I suggest you to watch that video first, because this video is totally based on the concept of both of that videos. You can find that video in the I tab and description of this videos as well. Hey, I am Saurabh. I make tech related videos on this channel every single week. If you are new to my channel and may be interested in tech videos, then consider subscribing this channel. Let's recap first. Abstraction in Java refers to hiding the internal implementation and showing the functionality to the users. In simple words, what it works will show and how it works will hide, right? And a class which has the abstract keyword in its declaration is called abstract class. Abstract classes should have at least one abstract method. It can have multiple concrete methods. The next we have is interface. So the interface is something we call a blueprint that can be used to implement a class. It is used to achieve total abstraction. Also, all the methods of an interface are abstract methods. Now let's start with this video topic, that is, what are the differences between an abstract class and an interface. The very first is, in the case of abstract class, it can have abstract and non-abstract methods, and in the case of interface, it can have only abstract methods. Since Java 8, it can have default and static methods also, and since Java 9, it can have private method also. The second one is, in the case of abstract class, it doesn't support multiple inheritance, and in the case of interface, it supports multiple inheritance. The third one is, in the case of abstract class, it can have final, non-final, static and non-static variables, and in the case of interface, it can have only static and final variables. The fourth one is, in the case of abstract class, it can provide the implementation of interface, and in the case of interface, cannot provide the implementation of abstract class. The fifth point is, the abstract keyword is used to declare abstract class, and the interface keyword is used to declare interface. Next, we have sixth point is, in the case of abstract class, it can extend another Java class and implement multiple Java interfaces. But in the case of interface, it can extend another Java interface only. The next seventh point is, in the case of abstract class, it can be extended using keyword extends, and in the case of interface, it can be implemented using keyword implements. The next and the last eighth point is, in the case of abstract class, it can have class members like private, protected, etc. And in the case of interface, members of a Java interface are public by default. The very important we should know that through an abstract class we can achieve partial abstraction, which is 0 to 100%, but through the interface we can achieve 100% of abstraction, or we can say total abstraction. Let's see an example structure of an abstract class and an interface. For an abstract class, it will be like public abstract class shape, and inside the curly braces we should have a method like this, public abstract void draw. And for an interface, it will be like public interface drawable, and inside the interface it should have a method like void draw. Here the method void draw is by default public, as we discussed earlier. So these are all the differences we should keep in mind about an abstract class and an interface. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more tech videos, and if you want to get notification of our latest videos, then hit the bell icon.